start of the summer, and the heat from the afternoon sun is radiating down on us as my friends and I race towards the backcountry for an overnight camping trip. It refreshes the soul every time I go out there and escape from all the hustle and bustle of daily life. I know once my tires touch the dirt road, all the worries of the outside world disappears and all I have is what's in front of me. I can just be in the moment. We are down once we arrived at the trailhead. On this trip, I'm joined with my buddies Jack, David, Mike, and their kids. It's so awesome that their boys want to join us in these trips. I think it's one of the biggest positives that came out of this pandemic because they get to enjoy and experience the outdoors, where they get to build a lifelong bond and friendship, just like the brotherhood their dads and myself have built throughout the years. Once we got the tires aired down and all the radios synced together, it's time to hit the road. Driving for an hour and a half on the main Avasar, we turned into the trail that leads us to our campsite. I've been meaning to come back to this spot for the longest time, but the last time we were here, all of the spots were taken. So that's why I was elated when no one was there, and we had the lakeside campsite all to ourselves. It was raining as we arrived at our camp spot, but as soon as we figured out where we'll be parking our rigs for the night, the rain cleared up and we got this beautiful surprise.
Connor, normally.
While the kids go play and explore, us older kids start setting camp.
Hello, everybody. Hello. But we touched the rock. You're not supposed to. No, I didn't. It's lava. What? All the way to Uncle Gary. Oh! Ah! Okay, how do I get over there? Ah! You made that. I did it.
As the sun slowly disappears behind the mountains, we get the campfire started.
Poor runner have a ridge in the middle?
Yeah.
My back always hurts. Here, big guy.
Trader Joe's, bro. Trader Joe's.
Are you sponsored?
I've said it before on my other videos and I'll say it again. This is my favorite part during camping, where everyone is just huddled around the campfire, sharing stories, reminiscing about our younger days, and catching up on what's been going on in our lives. No distractions, no worries, just all of us being a part of this moment in time. As raindrops started falling down the evening sky, we took that as a sign to head to bed and call it a night. Since I'm a minimalist when it comes to camping, I was able to pack up a lot faster than my friends, which gave me time to explore a camp spot. Man, this place is so peaceful. Really happy we got to camp here today. Last time I was here was about like 4 years ago. We were only able to just drive by and kind of check it out. But yeah, sweet spot right by the lake. Anyways, it's time for us to go. Before heading home, Mike wanted to check out a lakeside camp spot nearby. Unfortunately, my buddy David had plans in the afternoon, so he wasn't able to join us. Man, this is crazy. Like, forest fire happened here, I think last year or so. It just caught on fire. Just destroyed this whole part of the valley here. That's crazy. We've camped at this lakeside camp spot before, but that was like 3 years ago. So I think it's finally time for us to come back here and camp this summer. While I was filming our way out, a white ram was following right behind us. We waved them through to go ahead of us, but as they drove by, they told us their predicament. They said they used their GPS in their truck to get to the lake, but once they lost signal, they couldn't figure their way back out. So I stopped filming, and collectively as a group, we decided to help them get back to the main road. This is just a friendly reminder to make sure you have access to a map, either as a hard copy or an offline version on your app. Hope they learned their lesson and would be more well-equipped in their future adventures. All right, that'll do it for this video. Tried something different for this one. Kind of just wanted to capture the atmosphere, the moment, and kind of just wanted to keep it kind of narrative style for this video. Trying something new. There's a few trips that I want to shoot almost kind of like this, but kind of mix in with the vlog as well too while I'm talking, but capture the moments that we enjoyed through this trip. But anyways, that'll do it for this video. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time guys, like always, stay awesome.